In this video we are going to start the second layer of Rubik's. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. First we need to complete the second layer and we need to solve the yellow plus. The edges should match as this edge is in place. There are three modes to complete the second layer. We must be careful to choose an edge in which the top color is not yellow. For example, this edge that has a yellow color is bad for completion, but this one is a good option for placement, which has a green and orange color. In this edge, to place this edge, we must match the color facing us with its center. For example, here it should be matched with orange color like this. After matching with the center, we have to check the upper color, which is green here, and then see if the green color or whatever color it was is on the left side or the right side. So you have to use this algorithm to place this edge. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime, and they match so easily. Because this edge is yellow, we can't use which is a good edge to place. Blue and red, which we match with the center and check the top color, and here since it is on the right side, we use this algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, and they match. These two edges are not suitable for placement, so we go to the next edges using U. We match again with the green center and use the algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime, and the entire second layer is completely solved. Of course, there is a third mode which is like this. And the edge in its place is the opposite. If it was on the right side, we use the algorithm on the right side, and if it was on the left side, we use the algorithm on the left side. For example, I use the algorithm on the right here and place it. Let's go to the next part, which is to complete the yellow plus. The first mode. It is point mode where none of the plus section have been completed yet. That in this section only the plus are important for us and the corners are not important. And to complete the plus from any side you want, so that the white color is still below, you run this algorithm: F R U R prime U prime F prime. In this section it is important to keep the Rubik's exactly like this and run the algorithm: F R U R prime U prime F prime, and then it becomes line mode. Be aware that to run the algorithm again, the line must be horizontally in front of you and it's wrong like this, and we run the algorithm again. And plus is formed, and you could easily solve the plus and the second layer. The link to the previous video is in description. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos, and until the next video, goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail so